I literally look like the floating duck you put in your bath. Well, anyway, let's get on with this video. A few days ago, I went thrifting. I really just wanted to find some cool, interesting pants, and I didn't find shit. But anyway, I went into the men's section and they had like the coolest prints. I will put some pictures here of the pants I wanted to find, but I found literally... Wait, I will show you. So this is one of the pants right here. This is my whole body, but I really, like, I saw the pattern. Look at this. Oh! Here are all the pants. Each of those pants were just, it was 40 Czech crowns, which means it was like $2. So I said to myself, you know, even if you will mess them up, it doesn't matter because literally it's like $1. I think I've been talking like for 15 minutes, so let's do this. So the first thing you have to do is try the pants inside out and then figure out how you want the waist to be. Always take from the sides, not from the back. When the pants are really big, it looks kind of funny, so always take from the sides. Then when you have your waist, you can start pinning your whole leg, which is super easy. You just take the fabric, and then when you like the fit, you just take a pin, and you will have to do this all the way down. When you're done pinning your first leg hole, just take the pants off and lay them on the floor and fold them in half and take some more sewing pins. And we're basically gonna use the first leg hole that we already pinned as like a guideline for the second one. So we're just gonna pin where we pinned the first leg hole, but we're not only gonna pin the first leg hole, but also the second one. I hope it makes sense. I'm really bad at explaining things, so I hope you get it. Sorry. And once you have the first one, just pin all the way down. Once you're done, just take a ruler and chalk and draw a line between each pin that we made on both sides of the legs. When you're done, take out the pins that go through both of the leg holes, then unfold the pants and pin again where we made the line, but this time just going through the second leg hole. Like that, we will have both of the legs pinned and we can try them on to see if we need to make any adjustments. And if we're satisfied with the fit, we can go ahead and take them off and sew along the lines that we made with the chalk before. After you're done sewing, just try them on again to see if you need to make any adjustments again. For me, it was a bit longer, so I wanted to cut them, but my dog wouldn't stop bugging me. And yeah. Ścinko. Okay. Thank you. No. CV. CV. Yeah. But yeah, if you're satisfied, just cut off the excess fabric, and as I said before, for me they were too long, so I cut the ends a bit, and yeah. And then, because I love the method so much, I repeated it like 300 times, and yeah, this is how they turned out. Hi, so I'm back in my duck outfit. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. I definitely would recommend just at least trying this DIY, because honestly, if I can do it, you can do it too. I know some of you guys will be really annoyed because you don't have a sewing machine, but honestly, I think you'll be surprised how many people in your family or your friends have it. So just I don't know, try asking around, but if you are kind of socially awkward like me, you can always try some fabric glue, or, you know, do it the old-fashioned way, just needle and thread, which will probably take forever, but I mean, I will leave that up to you. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and all the other things. Yeah, see you in my next video.